Although the structure of Earth's interior is outside the domain of geography, but elementary knowledge of the structure of Earth's interior is necessary for the geographers, because all the relief features of Earth's surface generally depend on the endogenetic process. It is very difficult task to have accurate knowledge of Earth's interior because it is beyond the range of direct observation by man. But recently, the scientific study and analysis of various aspects of seismic waves, of natural and man-induced earthquakes have enabled the scientists to unravel the mystery of the Earth's interior based on authentic information. Basis of seismic wave character. Earth's interior divided on three broad categories, that is crust, mantle and core. Now the question arises, what is seismic wave? The different types of waves generated during the occurrence of an earthquake called seismic wave. There are three broad types of wave, that is primary or P wave, secondary or S wave and surface or L wave. Characteristics of P wave. P wave travel fast speed through solid material, also pass liquid material, but their speed is slow down. Then S wave only pass through the solid materials. Next, L. These waves generally affect only the surface of the earth. P waves as like a sound wave, and S wave as like as light wave or water ripples type wave, and run S wave through the solid material, the right angles. Position of three layers. Top of the layers crust, then mantle and inner part core. Crust is top layer and thickness of the earth crust between 30 km and 100 km. Average temperature is 100 to 200 degrees Celsius. Nearly 1% of Earth's volume and 0.5% of Earth's mass are made of the crust. Crust further divided into two parts, upper crust and lower crust. Clear the position of layer: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Upper crust. Mainly it is a continental part. Velocity of P waves is 6.1 km per second. Average density is 2.8 gram per cube centimeter. Mineral compositions are silicon and aluminium. Average maximum thickness is 30 km to 40 km and minimum is 15 km to 20 km. Main components are silicon and aluminium. So the other's name of upper crust is Sial. Top of the part brown color, this area crust layer. Lower crust, it is a part of oceanic component. Velocity of P waves is 6.9 km per second. Average density is 3 grams per cube centimeter. Mineral compositions are silicon and magnesium. Average minimum thickness is 6 km to 8 km. Silicon and magnesium. So others name of lower crust is Sima. Always Sial suited upper part of Sima. Second part of Earth's interior is mantle. It is the most important and complicated layer of Earth's interior. But basic concept of mantle. This layer extends for a depth of 2,900 km inside the Earth. Average temperature is 1500 degrees Celsius. It contains 83% of total volume and 68% of total mass of the Earth's. Basis of changes in the velocity of seismic waves, mantle was divided in two parts, outer mantle and inner mantle. Mantle area suited between crust and core. Outer mantle. Outer mantle is suited lower part of crust to 700 km inside the Earth. Velocity of P waves 7.9 km per second. Average density 3.4 gram per cube centimeter. Compositions are chromium, ferrous, silica, magnesium. So the other name of outer mantle is Crophecima. Outer mantle. Inner mantle of inner mantle. Location. Inner mantle suited lower part of outer mantle to 2,900 km inside in the Earth. Velocity of P wave 11 km per second. Average density 4.5 km. Average density 4.5 to 5.5 gram per cube centimeter. Compositions are nickel, ferrous, silica, magnesium. So the other name of this layer is Nymphecima. But basis of temperature and pressure and seismic wave velocity and other behavior, further mantle is subdivided by three layers: upper mantle, transition zone and lower mantle. Upper mantle or asthenosphere. Asthenosphere is a part of upper mantle, just below the lithosphere, that is involved in plate tectonic movement and isostatic adjustment. The lithosphere asthenosphere's boundary is conventionally taken at the 1300 degrees Celsius isotherm. Below this temperature, the mantle behaves in a rigged way. Above this temperature, it acts in a declit fashion. Seismic wave pass relatively slow through this asthenosphere compared to the overlaying lithospheric mantle. It has been called the low velocity zone, although the two are not exactly the same. The lower boundary of the low velocity zone lies at the depth of 180 to 200 km, where the basis of asthenosphere lies at a depth of about 700 km. Low velocity zone is a part of asthenosphere. In this part is the dense weaker layer beneath lithosphere. Temperature and pressure of asthenosphere is so high that rocks soften and partly melt, becoming semi-molten. Low velocity zone. Rocks are transitional zones is solid with mixed 1% liquid. It is a satellite features. Satellite imageries to show the transitional zone of Peru, Chile area. Transitional zone. From about 410 km to 660 km. In transitional zone, rocks do not melt. Their crystalline structure changes and a rock became much more dense. Water is most important aspects of the mantle. In transitional zone, water is not water. Instead, water exists as hydroxide. A in transitional zone is a ion of it is a ion of hydrogen and oxygen. It is a ion of hydrogen and oxygen with the negative charges. Ions are trapped in the crystalline structure of rocks such as ring, woodite and wheatslate. These minerals are formed from olivine at very high temperature and pressures. Look at the picture. Transitional zone in this area. In transitional zone, this part of water, but it is not water, it is hydroxide, ion of hydrogen and oxygen, and change the characteristics of rock. The layer. The layer beneath the lower mantle and shallow region. It is also called CMB, core mantle boundary. Clear concept of zone of earth interior. This mantle area, upper mantle, transition zone, lower mantle and D layer. Next, most inner part of earth interior is core. It extends from boundary of inner mantle at the depth of 2900 km to the center of the earth up to 6371 km. Average temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. It contains 16% of total volume and 32% of total mass of the earth. Core is further divided into two layers, outer core and inner core. Outer core is located deep It is suited depth of 2900 km to 5150 km. It is suited between depth of 2900 km to 5150 km. Velocity of P wave is 11.3 km per second. Average density is 10 to 12.31 grams per cube centimeter. Comment. Components are nickel and ferrous. So, the other name of this layer is called Nephe. Inner core. It is suited between 5100 km to 6371 km. Velocity of P wave is 12.6 km per second. Average density is 12.5 to 13.7 gram per cube centimeter. Compositions are chromium, nickel and ferrous. This layer also called multi-metallic materials level. If we see the chart, so the chart clearly the wave, seismic wave velocity is clearly show the chart. Outer core is liquid material because there is no sign of S wave, stop S wave, and P wave is slow down here. And then we see the sign of S wave and also fastest velocity of P wave. So it is solid layer. The chart shows the graph of temperature. Decreases the depth of Earth interior. The chart shows the graph of relation between depth and temperature. Increases the depth of Earth interior and increases the temperature also. Discontinuity. Discontinuity is a transitional zone. When where two layers are mixing. Here two layers are mixing is called discontinuity. There are 5 discontinuities inside the earth: Chondrite discontinuity, Mohorovičić discontinuity, Repti discontinuity, and Gutenberg discontinuity, Lehman discontinuity. Chondrite discontinuity between Sial and Shima. Mohorovičić discontinuity between lower crust and upper mantle. Repti discontinuity upper mantle and lower mantle. Gutenberg discontinuity lower mantle and upper or outer core. Lehman discontinuity between outer core and inner core. Chondrite discontinuity. The name comes from the Austrian geophysicist Victor Conrad. Up to the middle 20th century, the upper crust in the continental region was seen to carnist ophicolic rock such as granite, and the lower oceanist of more magnesium-rich mafic rock such as basalt. It is discovered 1909. Mohorovičić discontinuity. The Mohorovičić discontinuity was discovered by Andrija Mohorovičić in the year of 1909. The mole lies at the depth of 35 km beneath the continents and 8 km beneath the oceanic crust. Repti discontinuity. It is the transition zone between outer mantle and inner mantle. Gutenberg discontinuity. The mantle core transition zone is called Gutenberg discontinuity. In the year of 1912, Richard Gutenberg was discovered this discontinuity at the depth of 2900 km beneath the Earth's surface. In this zone, the velocity of seismic waves changes suddenly. The velocity of P waves decreases and S waves completely disappear at this depth. S wave here material and cannot transit through the liquid. So it is believed that the part of above the discontinuity is solid and part of beneath the discontinuity is liquid or molten form. It is a narrow zone 5 to 8 km wide. Lehman discontinuity. It is the transition zone between outer and inner core. The Lehman discontinuity is an abrupt increase of P wave and S wave velocities at the depth of plus minus 30 to 20 km. Discovered by seismologist Inge Lehmann. It appears beneath continents but not usually beneath ocean. wave shadow zone. We know P wave pass through solid and liquid material, but S wave pass only solid material. Now this picture shows P wave. When P wave come liquid, when S wave come liquid area, then this disappear and P wave is slow down. So the angle between 103 degree to 143 degrees area there is no sign of wave. So in this area is called shadow zone. P wave shadow zone area. If P wave slow down when pass through liquid area, then their direction is changed. So this area P wave shadow zone, but S wave only pass solid materials. So S wave, when S wave come near liquid area, it is totally disappear. So huge part of area S wave shadow zone.